name is Chris-Annthia Johnson. I'm a rising junior here at Harvard University, and in spring 2019, I decided to study abroad in Nice, France. This video will show you my study abroad experience, more of my adventures, and I hope you enjoy. So today is the 3rd of January, and it is now 6 o'clock US time. Today is my flight to Nice. Yeah. Good morning vlog. Today is the day where we meet our host families. I'm very late. The time is now 11:30. I should have been at my host family by 10 o'clock. She did call me. I didn't answer because I did not have roaming. And this is Annabelle. I don't know if you can zoom in. But that's Annabelle. He's also an IES Abroad member. Howard University. So we're trying to find our way. Yeah, this is very beautiful. Oh, is this class Garibaldi?
No, it wasn't, but A for effort, right?
I think this is class Garibaldi.
So it turns out that my homestay was very close to Nice City Center. In this homestay, I had a flatmate, but she felt more like a sister. Her name is Noelle, and she was such a pleasant soul. From this arrangement, we did a lot together. We tried cooking dinner. We went on little adventures. By the way, that dinner turned out very bomb. Also, I tried sushi for the first time, and it turns out I loved it. Thank you, Noelle, for playing such a huge role in making my study abroad experience very memorable. For this, I'll always be grateful. When I first arrived in Europe, I realized that I was allergic to the meat, so all I could hold down was pizza. So every day was pizza. All I need to eat was pizza, pizza, and more pizza. This is also the reason why I gained 30 pounds in Europe. But that's good, right? This was paella. I had that in Barcelona, and then more sushi, and then homestay food. And this dish was actually very interesting. I loved it so much. Personally, I was not a cheese fan, but after going to France, I realized that it was the norm to eat cheese. So I was exposed to millions of different types of cheeses. Also, I tried macaroon for the first time, and that was good. Even an edible straw. You see, everything I was eating. This is the reason why I gained 30 pounds. Nice, merci pour la bonne nourriture. Nice, I thank you for good food.
To Gothic waters, exploring the city of Barcelona. It's so look at this. It's absolutely stunning. Words can't even express. What words do you have for this building?
Spectacular.
Spectacular, iconic. Literally is raining, and I just don't know how to feel about this. I really don't know how to feel about it. I need a beret because this is gonna lift off in a second now. I just don't. Wow, that's cool.
That was not too bad, but I think you can do it much better. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Marseille! Wow.
That's cool. Interesting.
You wake up the working guys.
Today is the last dinner for IES.
All in all, this was hands down the best semester ever. I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who made this semester possible and who contributed to me having such an amazing time. My number one tip for anyone looking to study abroad is to go with an open mind so that you can embrace change. Au revoir. Until next time.